The secret trick to wear a wig with long hair. No bumps. No bulk. Perfectly flat. Wearing wigs has become one of the most popular beauty solutions for instant transformations. However, learning how to wear a wig with long hair can feel intimidating at first. Long hair creates extra bulk, which can cause bumps, discomfort, and an unnatural appearance if not prepared correctly. The secret to a flawless wig installation lies in properly preparing your natural hair before placing the wig. This expert guide explains exactly how to hide long hair under a wig, step by step, so your wig looks natural, flat, and secure all day. https rawhairluxury.com/the-secret-wig-with-long-hair-no-bulk-perfectly-flat/ #RawHairLuxury. #wear a wig with long hair. #wig cap for long hair.